One of the more frequently asked questions we receive is, which pipe anchor is right for my project? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between all of our pipe anchors and our surface mount if you happen to be mounting to concrete. Remember, the purpose of a pipe anchor is to drive it into the ground, and that's what supports your vinyl or aluminum post, eliminating the need to dig holes and pour concrete. We have 3 different pipe anchors for our vinyl fence styles. What they all have in common is they measure 1 5/8 inches in diameter, and they are made from 3 millimeters of galvanized steel. They all have a spear-shaped tip at the bottom, and they come in packs of 4 or as a single comboed with a vinyl post. No matter how you purchase your pipe anchors, they all come bundled with a pipe anchor positioner and a leveling donut. Our small pipe anchors measure 60 inches long, and they're designed for our 4-foot tall panels and our 4-foot tall gates. They're driven 3 feet down into the ground, leaving 2 feet above ground. Pipe anchors are not meant to fill the inside of the entire post. Our large pipe anchors measure 90 inches tall, and they're designed for our 5-foot tall and 6-foot tall panels and gates. They're driven 4 feet down into the ground, leaving 3.5 feet above ground to support your vinyl post. Our dual core pipe anchors have the same dimensions as our large pipe anchors. However, they have an extra 3 millimeters of galvanized steel on the interior of the pipe, running about 30 inches long. This additional material provides extra support for your post if you're supporting a 6-foot wide gate or if you're installing fence in an area with high wind loads. For our aluminum fence, we only have one style of pipe anchor. It's 3 millimeters thick of galvanized steel, but it only measures 1 inch in diameter, and it does not have a spear tip at the bottom. These pipes are driven 3.5 feet down into the ground, exposing 3 feet of pipe above the ground to support your aluminum post. Unlike our vinyl pipe anchors, our aluminum pipe anchors are always bundled with an aluminum post. You can purchase them in packs of 4 or as a single post and anchor combo. Another frequently asked question we receive is, what if I'm mounting on top of concrete? Well, this is where you would need a surface mount. For our vinyl fence, you would need a vinyl surface mount. These come with 2 leveling donuts for you to place your vinyl post over the top. For our aluminum fence, you need to use one of our aluminum surface mounts. Unlike the vinyl mount, this is all one piece, where the post is welded to a flange. No matter which surface mount your project requires, you'll need to drill some holes and use wedge anchors purchased at your local hardware store. Please see our surface mount video for proper installation. And if you have any questions, give us a call and talk to a friendly project consultant who will be happy to help.